Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. And we have another special Amazon Prime unboxing to do. And you guys can check them out. Link is going to be down below, where you can get one of these at a low cost and get it fast and free shipped to you in no time. Let's see what this thing is. Hope everyone had a good day so far. Everybody is safe, staying home. Oh boy. What do we have here? One more cut to go. Let's go. What do you got here, guys? Uh-oh. I see a friend. Oh, yes. Here he is. Look at this baby. Or the child. They say it's that Baby Yoda. But I think it is. Holy moly. He's soft. Not sure if I'm going to take him out of the bag. But this came in excellent condition. I think they still have them on sale. So you guys might want to jump on before they sell out. Because I know it's the second wave. This is the first wave. This is crazy. It's like a Baby Yoda. Baby. Look at the detail. Got the coat. I'm surprised it doesn't have like the frog. Or his little bowl. There it is. Maybe you could take it out of the wrapping. At least. Let him breathe a little bit. There we go. Always put it back in. Oh, wow. Here's a little story. 50-year-old child from his rival enemies. He's 50 years old? Good lordy. Huh. This is so cool. I'm definitely leaving him in the package because it has his little ship. But look at that. That is crazy. I don't even think they had Yoda when I was a kid like this. Definitely not this detailed though. So lifelike. Look at that. Mandalorian. Great series though. Really surprised. I always thought Star Wars was dying. Well, I guess not. Look how nice and look how real that looks though. Do 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 do. There he is. A child. That is crazy looking. Really great detailed. Might want to grab yourself a couple of these guys. Definitely, if they're not sold out, they will sell out by Christmas. Everyone wants one of these. Especially now that everyone deserves one. We'll get through what's going on. The force is strong with us. We will not cave into the dark side. Here he is, guys. Baby Yoda. Or the child. I don't know. I would say the child. But everyone on the web is saying Baby Yoda. So, tough choice. But really cool. I think this is like the first line of plush Baby Yodas they got. So, really cool though. This is Disney, so thank you guys, Mattel. Oh, actually, it's Mattel. Mattel's edition. Made in China. Mattel with the hookup. Yeah, they got it. They sure nailed this one though. So lifelike. Someone pretend they could be Yoda and then carry this around. Alright, YouTubers. May the force be with you. Be safe. Have a good night and see you guys soon.